Windows Update regularly downloads and installs generic background hardware drivers without asking you first. This automated process frequently overwrites your stable graphics or audio drivers, causing random game crashes, display glitches, and system instability. Here is how to completely block automatic driver updates while keeping normal security patches active. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel in the search bar, and open the classic desktop application shortcut. In the top right search bar area inside the dashboard window, type System and click on the main green System Link option row. A settings page will pop up on your screen. Look at the right side links columns list and click on the text link labeled Advanced System Settings. This opens the Small System Properties Layout utility box. Click directly on the Hardware tab located at the top Layout navigation bar inside this small box workspace. In the middle section, look for the Device Installation Settings category and click on the button named Device Installation Settings. You will see a simple question asking if you want to automatically download manufacturer apps and custom icons. Click the option bubble selection row labeled No, your device might not work as expected. This tells the operating system to completely stop altering your working drivers. Click the Save Changes button, then click OK on the remaining box panel window layout. If this quick system update adjustment helped stabilize your PC performance, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Team for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.